In this video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook monetization in Meta Business Suite, step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and select the Facebook page or professional profile you want to monetize. From the dashboard, open the Monetization section. Here, you can check whether your page or profile is eligible for available monetization programs. Review the requirements and any policy issues that may affect your eligibility. If you're eligible, select the monetization option available to you and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Next, complete your payout information and provide the required business, tax, and payment details. Make sure your legal and banking information is entered correctly. You may also need to accept Meta's monetization terms and complete any required verification. After setup is complete, return to the monetization section to check your status, earnings, and available tools. Keep following Facebook's partner monetization policies and content guidelines to maintain eligibility. That's how you can set up Facebook monetization in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.